Well, I think more or less self-explanatory ang ating stat line, Mosi.
That is right. Just not enough attacks coming from UST. 4-12 ang naging score natin sa atake. Pero ang maganda doon, nagkaroon sila ng 2 block points na wala naman ang Ateneo. Pero
Yung triple block na ito.
yes, correct. At bawing-bawi nga lang ng Ateneo pagdating sa aces. So, nagka-problema dyan yung floor defense ng UST na binanggit natin kanina. Medyo nabubutasan pa sila. At yung atake rin ng Ateneo, maganda in the first set because we were able to find yung open spots at saka yung mga little things like yung mga hulog ni Amy, di ba? Yung, but ako, credit goes to Giselle Tan, diba?
Absolutely. Sorry again, Giselle, ang tawag kita ate mo. Pero Giselle just control.
Yes.
Yung control distribution ni Giselle was remarkable in that first set.
Kasi kung isipin mo, napakalaging question nun, na nawala si Gia Morado, na halos siya yung ginagamit talaga all throughout the game.
Alam mo, naisip ko kagabi, sabi ko nga, baka kung muli na lalaro si Gia, baka kunin ng Ateneo as guest player si Jem Ferrer. Yung pala nakalimutan ko completely si Giselle.
Na meron pa.
Okay. So, Ateneo winning that first set, 25-11. Anong mga kailangan solve ng UST rito, Mosi, to improve their game dito
Depensa.
sa second set?
Yan lang umpisahan nila sa depensa. Just like that, Amy getting another point right away on a quick hit.
And that is such a good observation given that it was so obvious that Amy was on the front line that most likely the first point would be set up for her. So anyway, it takes some time to start reading the game correctly. That's it? No, it's not. I'm ahead of myself and we're tied at 1.
That's right. And Lara now with 2 points. Tunay with 2 points. Sa kabila, Hekenyana with 6. And Maraginot with 4.
Naka 6 na si Kim.
Tahimik na tahimik, ha?
The Bacolodian lass was now on her
At ang
third
mga
year.
tandem, di ba? Galing Bacolod rin. Oops, and not enough spin.
Bea used to tell me that she wanted to go home already to Bacolod. She missed the laid-back life in Bacolod, but she's still around. I'm sure Giselle misses home. I met their mother then, and such a delightful woman also.
Nakakamiss talaga ang asukal ng Bacolod.
At saka yung sarap ng
buhay. Ang maraming desserts.
Ang pagkaon natin dira sa Bacolod. Okay, diretso. UST playing better D. Laure stamps it over. I love this set. Pag tinamaan niyo si Rina Villanueva, may problema kayo sa akin, ha? May nagagalit yata. Na-high blood na yata si Coach Kumpufu. Anong problema? Feeling niya may double touch kanina. Siguro.
Or may net violation.
Net violation. You know, when you're behind, you need every point. You fight for every point. In the meantime, Uste attacking with Meneses. Oh, good set. Huli!
Curling with a single block. Pero before that, Ella De Jesus with another dig. Na that.
Gusto ko yung pagka all-around ng game ni EJ Laure. And the way she played with confidence even when she was in her rookie season.
Right.
Parang hindi siya rookie.
Yun nga parang ang nangyari pa nga talagang inasahan siya in her rookie year.
Lastimosa.
Ella De Jesus sayang with another dig na naman sana. Mukhang may bagong karir to si Ella.
Parang
swak na swak sa libero.
Announcement doon sa mga commercial teams, baka kailangan nyo ng libero. Pero lista kasi si Ella.
Ever since naman, in fact, napaka-advantage sa Ateneo. No, hindi siya libero, listed as libero. Kasi minsan, gusto mong humugot kay Ella dun sa likod, para ka may 2 libero. Pwede kang gumamit pag kailangan mo ng todo depensa.
And Ella can block. You know she can block. But she can't do that today as libero. In the meantime, Meneses hitting it long. Shakies for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakies. Lastimosa down the middle. Kept alive by De Jesus. Long. Oh, but Laure touched it last.
That's right. Inisip niya kasi check ball. So kaya hinabol pa niya.
Alam mo, iba yung passion ng collegiate game, ano? Yung team,
that is so. I was gonna say it. Yung parang
passion,
yung,
ano?
iba yung nararamdaman. Maingay.
And suddenly, they missed each other so much, no? And they will meet a lot. Oh, long. And Maraguinot sends it long. By the way, we will also greet our friends from Lubang Island later on, ano ha? Mga fans daw ng volleyball, sabi sa atin ni Mr. and Mrs. Louie Puela, no?
That's right, where they conducted an outreach program na syempre na-sponsored naman by Sports Vision Group. Di ba natin? Yung maganda, no?
Ayan niyo po.
Yung mga outreaches. At alam mo, alam daw nila, kilala nila lahat ng players.
Mabuti naman po. Magandang hapon po sa mga taga-Lubang at saka babalik ko
Mayor
kami
Juan
dyan.
Sanchez.
Isang katerba kami babalik ko dyan. Balita ko, ano daw, seafood daw
Bobby Sanchez, coordinator of the
seafood daw
project.
kinain.
Ay, hindi tayo sinama.
Ayan, yan ang problema ngayon ng mga yan.
Gandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Sige po. Samantala, tabla tayo. Mas dikit ang second set. Lastimosa huli. Itataas. Ano tawag ni referee?
Violation call, double.
touch. Oo.
Ang sabi ni Sarah, no kanilang setter, siya daw ang first ball. Si
Bakit?
Berusiao. Pero tinawagan ng double dahil according to the referee, 2 beses kay Rasmo.
Aha. So, just the getting used to again, of the choreography, Anyway, sige, Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's V-League. Pero Shao lifting it up. And in the meantime, UST takes the point. Alam mo, itong tournament na ito, it will be the feeling out tournament. It's alright to train, to practice games. Iba yung competition eh.
Oo. And ang maganda dito, kasi it's a mix of yung kalaban mo at yung hindi mo naman nakakalaban.
Yes.
So magandang training talaga.
Lastimosa uncorks. Pan to the other end of the universe.
Good dig by Lare.
Great skills by Laure. The meantime, Ateneo messes it up and we're tied at 6. No, we are not. We are at 7-6.
That's right, Carmela Tunay with a back row attack.
In our ultra-fast strike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy Hannah Lee. Now, USD playing much better here. More calm,
Yes,
more controlled.
Mas controlled game, exactly.
Meneses, iba yung jitters ng first set eh. Oh, from the back row, Maraguinot. Francisco zips it over. Ella with the set. Gekiliana fires. Meneses is at the back row. Lastimosa, huli!
Huli kasi medyo mataas yung pagkakaset ni Berusiao. So, nabasa ng Ateneo. That's why there were 2 blockers already waiting for Lastimosa.
Gusto ko kay Pam, serene, calm, hindi nawawapoys, ever. Bad reception, Carmela. Nauna ang Ateneo sa technical timeout. 8-7 po ang bilang natin. Magbabalik ang nag-iisang Shakey's Relay. Okay, mga kaibigan, mga kasama niyong nanonood ng ating laro, international schedules natin sa website na yan. Smile, Rina, you're on.
Yes, let's talk about the UST Lady Tigers na medyo kinabahan nga during their first set. No? There might have been some major changes para sa kanilang kupunan, pero ang sabi nga sa kanila ni Coach Kung Fu Reyes, change is always good and change is always for the better. Now, I asked him before the start of his ball game, how does he feel being the new head coach of the UST team? Right now, he says that he has a plate full of pressure right now, but he will try to convert that pressure into a big challenge for him to be a better coach. Well, it's not all about him. It's all about making the team a better team for this. So, now knowing that he spent a number of years being the assistant coach of Army, kaya naman mas disciplinarian type of coach daw itong si Coach Kung Fu. In fact, he is incorporating a military type of training na dito sa UST girls niya for the last 2 months. Sabi niya, hindi naman daw niya pinapahirapan ito. Instead, gusto lang niya matutunan nila yung disiplina at yung respeto nila sa isa't isa. But of course, it will be a slowly but surely process for them. Seven Mozi?
Military training.
Alright.
Military training daw, sabi
Pero
ni Rina.
maganda yun, disiplina.
Nagmamarcha sila sa ulan.
Grabe.
Sa campus ng UST pagkalaki-laki. Malaki-laki yung tatahakin na yun, ha?
Ay, alam mo, Seb, yung sa binanggit mo kanina yung Lubang Island, sila din pala may sariling tournament which is starting today. So, good luck sa tournament nyo, ha?
Enjoy.
Enjoy
Kayo po esteemed partner of the Shakey's League. 8-10, ayan po si Kung Fu at bagong mukha. Ayan, mukhang astig-nastig eh, no? Alam niya ang ginagawa niya. Just get to use, sabi sa akin mga players, basketball, volleyball, regardless, you parang get used to the voice.
Yeah.
Na parang tatay mo, kuya mo. Now, Ateneo is messing up the reception. They've fallen behind by 3. Time to listen to the Lady Eagles with Coach Farley. Mukhang si Coach Tay ay still in Thailand, ano? Ang dalawa lang na pinupuntahan yun. Tsaka yung...
Pareho na niyang ano.
Nasa
bahay.
Singapore siya, no? Sa SEA Games.
Yes.
As assistant coach to Roger Gorayev. Samantala, 11-8. UST just playing better here in this second set.
Nagpo-post sila in the second set. Kanina medyo kalat in the first one.
Ganaya having a problem handling the serve. Nicely done! That's a heartbreaker. That's a heartbreaker for Sarah Princess Verosha. Watch this. Oh,
Sumabit na.
I love her name. Sarah Princess. It was a happy day when she was born. Her parents smiled endlessly. 9-11 is the count.
Galing din yan sa Kings Montessori.
Oh. Nice. Sayang.
And a check ball called.
Check. Tawag again sa Ateneo. Akala ko masyadong malakas kasi walang putik-putik yung palo. And UST in control, 12-9. Pero siya yelling instructions before the serve. He is still waiting for the whistle, but it's already been blown. It's almost down the line. Giselle Tan with the set. That is caught. It's in the air. Itinaas ni Verosha. Nilipat sa kabila. Huli!
Yun ang word talaga doon. Napantayan yung palo ni Mela Tunay.
And Patricia Kim Rasmus. Boy, they're getting younger and I'm getting older.
Yun na may nakakatawa dito, di ba? Makikita natin sila under first year. Pagdating na dalawa, tatlong taon, sila na yung mga stars dun sa mga team nila.
Hindi naman po kasamaan sa Pilipino pag sinabi mo, neneng-nene sila nung nag-umpisa. Ano tawag?
The violation ko, ganyan.
Alam mo, itong net violation, may quick na tinawag sa starting mo sa under 23.
Yes. Kasi yun na yun, pinaligtod sa halos full rule. Konti lang diferensya, pero yung kahit anong tumamalit.
Yung halos kanti lang tawag na no? Dati...
Kaya ano yung importante, ito naman yung ginawa ni Giselle, tinago niya yung buhok niya. Kasi ganun eh.
Oo. Nice set. Nilipat sa kabila. Pam keeps it alive. Laure tosses it up. It becomes a free ball for Tunay. Set up job. Tan. Tago. Nice combination. Maraginot. Drilling it in.
That's right, Maraginot. And what I like that, I like about that hit is, tignan mo siya, umanggulo, pumunta pa dun sa walang tao.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng spot. Kumbaga pinasa yung depensa ng kalaban.
Nicely done, Meneses. Hooks it over.
And Maraginot asking for a check. And a check.
Yes. Hindi nakita ni Referee Josie yung tawag ng lines person sa kabilang dulo. Sumisenya siya ng check Mahirap makita doon sa angulo niya. Pero check ang sabi ng linesman. Nagagalit si referee o si Coach Kung Fu. Boy, lamang siya. Biglang nawala yung lamang niya Ganda ng laban. Both on court and off.
Mela Tunay. Very good.
Ulit pero hindi. Naitawin na nila. Lamang ang UST ng dalawa. Mikasa ang ating official ball sa Shakey's Relay. kay Kilian.